Now we are doing our chapter 9, that is areas of parallelogram and the triangle. Right? In that we will discuss today about 9.3, that is parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels. So in that we are just discussing 9.1 theorem because वो सब काम का नहीं है, right? Activities are given and some are not there in your syllabus. So just looking forward the theorems. So 9.1 theorem is that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallelogram, same parallels Okay, so 9.1 theorem is said parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in the area. Means what is given to you? Parallelogram on the same base. So same base में first look and understand the parallelogram A, B, C and D. Here given A, F, C and D. तो उसमें से जो भी देखो ट्रायंगल में फिगर देखो पहले तो आप. So if we are looking in this figure, so here whatever the right angle triangle is becoming, और जो छोटे triangle है, small triangles are there, the area of that triangle will be same. That is same. Means area of ADE and area of BCF will be same. Clear? See this means this theorem we can understand by this example only. Otherwise you will not get it. Chalo. We are doing exercise 9.2 in that first sum to understand this theorem. Okay, nothing else. It is not coming in a syllabus that you know. But still, we are doing that sum. It's given that A, B, C and the D. AE. It is a right angle triangle, it's a parallelogram or it is perpendicular. And here is given as the E and here F. We have to find out the AD. So we have to find out this AD. So we have to find out this AB, right? Using this one. So what is given? AB is given 16. Here is 16. AE. AE. This line has been given to you as a 8 and CF is given as a.
दिख नहीं रहा है, थोड़ा स्क्रीन है ना ऊपर कर दो.
Wait.
हाँ अब दिखा.
CF is given as a 8. AE is given as a 8. AB is given as a 16 and CF is given as a 10. Okay, and we have to find out the length of AC. Clear? Declare a string B. So, how can we find out this value? See, simply it is base. First, I am drawing it. It is base, and this is the hypotenuse. So we can say that AD into this CF, right, is equal to. Here, it is a perpendicular line, and it is of your base, right? So it will become what? AE into CD. Now remember that AB is 16, then automatically your CD is also become 16. The value of CD is equal to 16. Now, what is the value of AD? That we have to find it out. So AD we have to find it out. CF. The value of CF is equal to 10. AE. The value of AE is equal to 8 and value of CD is equal to 16. So the AD will become 8 into 16 upon 10. We are not worried about the answers, right? Here we are not simplifying this answer. If you want to simplify, 8 is 16 8s are. What will be a 16 8s are? 16 8 जा किसी को नहीं पता आवाज तो आ रही ना मेरी
108.
108 divided by 10 so you will get answer as a 10.8
नो मैम 128 होगा. 128 नहीं होगा. 16 8 जा.
what is 16 8 जा
Ma'am, 128.
हाँ 128 है.
okay so 12.8 will be your answer
क्या
clear
मुनेंद्र?
so according to that we have to take the base and then hypotenuse means base and that regarding the perpendicular line that will be the answer